Hi guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm so surprised that I hear the sound of my finches, and lo and behold, they already lack of food. I mean, yesterday I wasn't able to visit the cage and I can hear them demanding the food. You know, the sound of the finches are really very demanding if they are already very hungry. That's why I was so shocked and I ran to the farm and get some food and feed them. Well, you know that in our last video about this zebra finch, we were able to infuse another line of cocks. Actually 2 cocks, but it resulted in, I don't know if this is a positive outcome, but to me it's a discoloration because they became pale and all of them, all the babies that were produced are actually white. So I didn't like this color white. I really like the technicolors, of course. 3-4 colors in one bird is just but very beautiful. But now that we have infused another line, what they have produced are white babies. And these white babies are also massive here. Though they are producing a lot now, since we already have a new cocks from new line, but the quality of the birds that they have produced, I don't know, you make some comments about this because to me it's a discoloration, it's a decline of the quality. But there are really finches that have white colors. Of course, the zebra come in different colors, but my attention was caught when all the babies have the same colors. They are all white. So I don't know, you can make any suggestion. Maybe if you have known reasons in your mind, please comment because I'm puzzled actually. And I don't know, because the cocks have good colors, but the babies are all white. They have produced all white babies. So you will see that the population here is actually now being dominated by one color and the colors are white. You will see also, I mean, I will show this with the camera, that there are so many eggs now inside in the nest boxes. I'm using the clay pots. For those of you who are just new to this channel, I use the clay pots because it is proving us to be a very good material for our finches. It did not only hatch many eggs, but it also protected our finches from the lizards and other predators because it's hung. They cannot be disturbed by the small lizards. So unlike, of course, putting this bamboo nest or nest box, they can be disturbed by the lizards and even the ants. So hanging the nest boxes is actually the excellent thing that you can do for your finch. So you will look at them. It's an indication now, it's an evidence that they are really very hungry. And the reason why I rushed to the farm, because these finches cannot be allowed to go hungry for several hours. They will immediately die and their death would be in massive scale. That's why I always wanted to have an extra, and this is the first time actually that this happened. And you will know that in bird keeping, constant monitoring and constant concern and of course constant care is to be observed so that you will become successful. And this is one of the instances that I really hate the most, going or starving our birds. So I hope that you can help me. What is the reason? I mean, you just make a comment. What is the reason for the discoloration of our birds? Discoloration meaning they have produced a less quality colors. And I'm short of words for this, but I know that you have understood what I meant, and you can do some comments. Maybe this is already the product of the community breeding, and this is already the product of being held together in one cage. And this could be addressed, of course, but battery cages are still good in terms of maintaining the quality of your birds. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you will be notified of our everyday uploads. See you in my next vlog only here at Dexter's World.